Welcome to our quick guide on changing your Xbox email using your phone. Let's make this process easy and seamless. First, open your Xbox app. This is where all the fun begins. If you don't have it, download it from your App Store. Log in with your current Xbox account credentials. Don't worry, your gamertag and achievements will stay intact. Navigate to Settings from the menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to proceed. Find the option for email or account information. Here, you can update your email address easily. Enter your new email and confirm it. Finally, save your changes, and you're all set. Now that you've changed your Xbox email, enjoy gaming without interruptions. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow gamers. Feel free to comment any questions you have below. We're here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming! Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep gaming and keep winning.